Now in this part we are going to learn about the volume and surface area of a cuboid, right? In the previous one we have learned about the cube. In this one we are going to learn about the cuboid. A cuboid is a 3D object made up of a rectangle like this, right? This one is a cuboid, right? Now if you have to find out its volume, we need to find out its length, its breadth and its height, right? We need to find its length, breadth and height. And to find out its volume, what we will do, we multiply length multiplied by breadth multiplied by its height, right? Now this is the formula we use to find out the volume of the cuboid, right? Now if you're going to do an example here for cuboid, now for let's suppose length of the cuboid is given 2 centimeter, breadth is given 3 centimeter and height is given 1 centimeters. So its volume will be, we have to multiply length, breadth and height, right? So you're going to see 2 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeters multiplied by 1 centimeter. So 2 times 3 is 6 and 6 times 1 is 6 centimeter cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. So this is the volume of a cuboid. The formula for the cuboid is length multiplied by breadth multiplied by its height, right? Now if you're going to change the position, if you get confused that which one is the length in the object, like if you have a figure of a cuboid, object of a cuboid, and you're confused in finding out its length, breadth and height, so you can जस्ट यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई, राइट? आपको सिर्फ मल्टीप्लाई ही करना होता है. आपको अगर ये नहीं पता चल रहा कि इसमें से लेंथ कौन सी है, ब्रेथ कौन सी है, हाइट कौन सी है, तो अगर आप आगे पीछे करके भी मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे सो यू विल गेट द right answer. Alright, now we have to learn that how we find out the surface area of a cuboid. Now cuboid has again the same 6 faces as the cube. Like a cube has 6 faces, cuboid has 6 faces, right? Each face of the cuboid is having length and breadth, breadth and height and length and height. Now if you're going to see this figure, it's a cuboid here, it's having 6 faces, right? This front face and the back one, right? Front, back, right? We have length and breadth here, length and breadth here. Then we have top and bottom. We have length and height, length and height. And for the sides we have again 2 faces, breadth and height, breadth and height, right? See here we have 6 faces and each face has different dimension. 2 faces of length and breadth, these 2 has length and breadth, 2 faces of length and breadth, right? 2 faces of length and height, 2 faces of breadth and height. So what we are going to do to discover the formula of this, we have 2 faces, right, of length and breadth, then sum of it 2 faces of length and height, and then 2 faces of breadth and height. So what you're going to do for the surface area of a cuboid is you're going to take out the 2 is common in all of the dimensions. So you're going to make it short for you, 2 as common, and then you're going to write down length and breadth, length and height, breadth and height. I'm going to rewrite this formula for you all. Surface area of cuboid formula is 2 times length and breadth, length and height, and breadth and height. This is the formula for surface area of the cuboid, right? Now if the length is given 2 centimeters, breadth is given 1 centimeter and height is given 3 centimeters. So how you're going to find out its using this formula? The formula is 2 times length and breadth plus length and height plus breadth and height. Now you're going to replace the values in the formula. 2 times length is 2, breadth is 1, plus length is 2, height is 3, plus breadth is 1 and height is 3. Now multiply all of these. You will get 2 ones are 2, plus 2 threes are 6, plus 1 threes are 3. Now you add up all of these. 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, and then multiply 8 by 2. So you will get the surface area 22 centimeter square for that cuboid. Alright, you just substitute the values in the formula, multiply the solve all of the things in the bracket first, and in the last you're going to multiply by this 2. Okay, that's all.